Hello everyone, this is the mother of 4 girls. Of 4 girls. Okay guys. Meron ako ditong papa-challenge sa mga anak ko. I have something. This one I went to the store yesterday. So what we have, Kiana. Me and Kiana went to the store. So we went to what is that? What is it? Great Wall store, okay? Is another name of the store here in Virginia. So what is that, Baba? What is that?
So first we have super crisp kimchi flavored.
Kimchi. Okay, a kimchi flavor. Okay. So
What else do we have?
you're gonna introduce your name, who you are.
Everybody know our names. I am Nadira. I am Kiana.
I'm Tata.
And I'm Jossman.
Okay.
All right.
We're gonna try this. Okay, so it looks like
Kimchi.
I'll get one first. Kim, let me have one.
It's seaweed. I hope it actually doesn't taste like kimchi. I think.
Okay, don't try it yet. Don't try it yet. Give one each.
What's the smell? You must smell first.
Smells sweet. Smells sweet.
Sweet.
Smell it
It
first.
feels gritty.
Okay.
I'm gonna try it. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, crunchy. Can I have some too? So crunchy. Is that yummy?
It would taste good, but it's sweet.
I don't like it. I don't like the smell either.
Yeah.
Tiny bite.
It's not bad.
I'll rate this a 5 out of 10. I don't like the sweet, but it's fine. What do you rate it?
Show me, Baba.
She is a 5 out of 10.
Nice, Tabata.
That's
Yes,
mine. I ate basically none of it. It's a 4.
Bite. You must taste.
I already did. I
She
already
is a
did.
4 out of 10. 5 out of 10,
Smell?
5 out of 10, 4 out of 10. What do you think?
Oh, this is the look like this.
6.5.
Hmm?
6.5.
Okay, so 5, 5, 4,
Sarap siya.
6.5. Okay, so not really on the recommendation scale, but
Lami siya, guys.
I don't like it.
Ang sarap ako sa challenge.
Okay, now what? More sweet.
Okay, next we're gonna be trying this larb flavored.
What's that?
It looks like seaweed again, but
Another seaweed. What flavor is that?
larb. I don't know what larb.
larb?
It's like chicken.
Chicken. Show me, Baba.
I hope this doesn't taste like a
This one is sweet.
Dude,
It's
there's
like
bugs in it.
Really?
and
kidding.
sour.
Oh,
Sweet
it's the same thing.
and sour.
Maybe it's in
There's like different flavors.
Make a mess.
Ew. Okay, so this one's like a lot
Hurry
more
up, get that
gritty.
tissue. Jasmine just make a mess.
It's a lot more creamy.
She just make a mess.
Here you go, Jasmine. Don't eat it yet.
Here.
Is that
Wait
good?
for Jasmine. Wait for Jasmine, everyone. So this is like a lot, very gritty.
I can't wait. I got half.
It looks really ugly.
Oh my god! I don't like
Don't
the
eat it.
smell.
Wait, it actually might taste good though. It's like
Okay, do you have it?
It's like
Okay,
chicken.
try it. 3, 2,
Jasmine's so clear.
1.
It's not bad.
Tastes like fried rice.
Really? Is that yummy? Can I taste one too?
It's like normal seaweed. That's good.
I like that one. I like this one. I like this one.
Gimme.
Yeah, I like this. This one is yummy.
There's the other kind.
I like this one, guys, better than this.
Here you go.
Which one you like?
Here.
Yeah, I like that one.
I rate this one
Mm-hmm.
a 8 out of 10. It has a weird flavor, but I like it. What do you rate it?
I like the texture and the taste kind of. It has this weird taste, so I give it a 9.
Okay. What do you think?
I think a 7 because I don't really like the texture, and it has a weird end taste, but then when you're actually eating it, it tastes good.
What do you rate it?
I just said 7.
Okay.
Okay, Mike.
What do you rate it?
What do you rate that?
9?
Yeah.
What do you guys like?
Those prescription, but
I like this one, guys.
okay. You open it.
Oh, I want to open this one.
What is that?
Oh my god, I think I know what this is, and I've tried this before.
Show it. Show it, Tap.
Hey, what is that?
It's like a ball.
It's like
ball
a
thing.
What?
BB. I don't know what that is.
I
I think it's like caramel popcorn.
don't eat it yet.
Ew. It looks nasty.
Ooh, it smells sweet. This is sweet. Don't eat it yet.
Let's see.
Can I see what's in what's
looks like
saying?
this.
You can add some.
It's B. It looks like.
Can I see the
different
back?
language. Don't eat it yet.
1 minute, Baba.
Frosted flake. Don't
Chinese.
eat
Is
it.
that Chinese? Is that what is that?
I don't know.
Is
It
that
looks
Chi-
Chinese.
Is that Chinese or Japanese?
Japanese.
We don't know.
Okay.
It looks Japanese. Okay. Three,
Okay.
Exactly.
three,
Mm.
2.
Just make it some.
I got it.
I have some.
Look at popcorn.
Pretty basic,
Ooh.
but it's good.
Yeah.
Asian popcorn.
Yeah, it tastes like caramel popcorn.
I like it. There's some.
Never mind, aftertaste is good.
What a rice ball.
What else? Hurry up next.
I rate this a 9 out of 10. This is really good. Basic, but really good. What do you rate it?
See, I'm like a 9 out of 10 because it's really good. I like the kind of caramel and it tastes like popcorn. I love popcorn.
I'd say 8 because the aftertaste tastes weird to me, but when you're but then it's really yummy when you're eating.
You're really picky with your food.
Yes, I am.
9. Because yeah.
Okay.
Because of what?
Because yeah.
Because what is yeah?
Because yeah.
Okay.
Now what?
Jasmine, you open them.
You already know the ding dong. So
No,
what
we
can
don't.
No, we
you- No, you already know the ding dong.
I
The ding
don't
dong
know.
is mine.
It's ours now.
Okay. So this is called a ding dong. We just get a little bit
Yeah,
for each.
don't
Give me
go.
a handful. Okay, give me
Yeah.
first. Everyone but the peas. Okay, stop. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is what it looks like.
And just so it's like a snack mix, really. Got
Stop
these.
down. Yeah, it's too much. Give some to Tabitha.
Yeah,
No,
whatever
stop.
this is.
Give some to Kiana.
We have these.
Give some to Tabitha.
And we have this. No, this
This is a 9.
Peanut.
This is 100%. Okay, let's eat it. 3, 2, 1. That's good. That's good. 10 out of 10.
Yeah,
No comment. 10 out of 10. What do you think?
Yeah, okay.
What do you think?
9.
Ding dong is my favorite snack.
Okay, we all rate it a 10 out of 10. Now we're gonna try last. Is green tea mochi we've never tried before. Jasmine says we have, but we haven't. Okay. It's supposed to be the spitball, but whatever. Okay, so we got this green tea mochi. And it looks really pretty. Like, only 6 of them, but you know. Ooh. It's not opening. That's great. Try to open it. Bite it. I love the pea. Okay. Yeah.
Yummy.
Okay. Okay. It's half. Each of us only get one. Okay. I'll
Hey.
get one.
I'll get this one. Oh,
I'll get this one.
Hey, what flavor is that?
Green tea.
Green tea.
Green tea matcha. Okay.
oh my god, it smells good.
Mama here.
I love green tea flavor.
Here's your box, guys.
Okay, guys. Don't eat it yet. Jasmine, put it back. Put it back, Jasmine.
This is yummy, guys. I like it.
Okay.
Ready?
What's mine?
Jasmine
Yeah,
has it.
cook it.
Jasmine has 2.
You have two too.
I need one for myself.
Okay, 3.
Sali din ako, guys. Sali.
3, 2, 1.
I'm still eating the ding dong.
It's eating the ding dong. Poor Jassy. What the?
I like it.
I can have it. I can have it. Mine.
It's like leaves. 0 out of 10. Like, damn.
Mine.
Least favorite type of mochi. Don't buy this, guys.
Your opinion.
Messy, yeah.
I'm gonna eat my popcorn.
I don't really like it.
I got 2. What if it tastes bad?
It's like something, like a, there's some perfume on it, yeah?
It's supposed to be powder on it.
Is it supposed to taste like that?
It's supposed to taste like that. I like it.
The one thing Todd actually likes that everyone else hates.
I like it.
I like it. I give it an 8 because the aftertaste sucks. I'll give it a 1. Okay, horrible, but I ate it anyway. What do you give it?
I like it, but I give it like a 4 because I don't like the leaf taste. It's the yucky.
Hey, it's supposed to taste like leaf.
It's green tea, idiot.
Leaf.
Hey!
What do you think, Jasmine?
It doesn't really taste like green tea.
Right, what do you think it? Rate it.
4, 5, 5.
Okay, so green tea
7.
was the least favorite.
This is 7.
Mm.
Is it, guys? This one's the best one.
Can I have more?
So which one you like the most?
Ding dong.
This one, but the one I haven't
Ding
tried.
dong. Seaweed was good too.
Yeah, this one was good.
I like the seaweed. I want this one. I wanna keep this.
I want to keep this one.
I don't think this one.
Mm.
Hey, I want that. Come on, I got the ding dong now.